Unfortunately, over 430,000 people globally will die from this disease within 3 to 6 months post-diagnosis. Pancreatic cancer is often diagnosed late, with over 80% of patients diagnosed with advanced disease, so this is at stage 4. And at this stage, there are no curative treatments available. What drives the aggressiveness of the cancer is, less known. And certainly those are some of the mechanisms that we're trying to understand. My hope is that pancreatic cancer becomes a lot more manageable disease, that patients can, start to live well with this cancer, and that it's not such a death sentence. And so it's really important to invest into research in finding better tailored treatment options for patients with this disease.